Today, we will talk about 7 high-paying jobs you can learn. A decade ago, you needed to spend 4 years in a university classroom and spend anywhere from $40,000, $100,000 to learn most high-paying jobs. Fortunately, thanks to the internet, times have changed. Today, you can learn the lucrative digital skills for today's fast and growing careers without spending a minute of your time in a classroom or going into any debt. That's because many of these job skills can now be learned inexpensively available online. Degrees are still very important for most traditional professions, but in the digital economy, it's not so much your degree that's important. It's more about offering social proof about what you can actually do. This can be demonstrated with a solid digital portfolio of what you've created and a personal brand that you develop by sharing what you create and building your professional network. The reality is that today's businesses want to hire top performers. And what separates the top performers from everyone else is they are self-motivated and able to constantly learn and work on their own. When you learn new skills online and regularly add new projects to your digital portfolio, it sets you apart because it shows you have the focus and discipline to follow through on your goals and get results. Getting high-paying jobs in the digital economy. If you're looking for a career change and you want to learn new high-paying job skills, then you need to develop your digital skills. As routine jobs are being automated and outsourced, the demand for creative jobs that involve making things in the digital economy is exploding. The difference between these creative jobs and more traditional jobs and professions is that people will hire you based on your digital portfolio, rather than a degree or certification you hold. This means you have to be constantly learning and upgrade your skills to stay on the cutting edge. Otherwise, your portfolio will look dated. Fortunately, a lot of these high-paying creative jobs in the digital economy can be learned by anyone with an internet connection, provided you have the focus and determination to be a self-directed learner. Below, you'll find 7 high-income skills that you can feature on your resume to help stand out to potential employers. To build this list, we look at reports forecasting the most in-demand skills through 2030 from the World Economic Forum. The skills listed here are all transferable across a number of career paths. As you read this list, consider your career goals, past experiences, and the job descriptions of your desired roles, and notice whether any of these skills may naturally facilitate your path. 1. Data analysis. Analytical thinking and innovation is the top skill forecasted in the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2. As businesses across industries increasingly rely on data to make informed decisions, they require more employees with the ability to collect, interpret, and share data that can solve their business problems. People skilled in data analysis may use a range of tools including Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, SQL, Tableau, R, or Python. 2. Software development. Increasingly, industries are turning toward technology to advance their business capabilities, and they need people skilled in developing, maintaining, and improving their technological systems. People who work in DevOps or software engineering build, monitor, and control an organization's technology. Some employers require a 4-year degree to work as a software engineer, usually a degree in computer science or math. However, many don't, and even top employers like Google and Apple have done away with the requirement for a degree. So it's possible to learn this skill without a formal university degree, usually through online or in-person coding bootcamps, which typically take around 12 weeks to complete. Overall, software development is one of the best high-income skills to learn because of the high demand for this type of work. More of the world's businesses and systems are being run on software. More transactions/purchases are happening online each year, and more people are using apps, online tools, and electronic devices in virtually every aspect of their lives. They even make doorbells now with integrated cameras that send video to your smartphone when someone's at your door. This requires software engineers to build. And it's not uncommon for software engineers with a few years of experience to earn $100,000 plus, and the very best engineers in top companies can earn $200,000 or more. If you decide to go the freelance software development route, You could charge upwards of $100, $150 per hour. With certain programming languages and skill sets, some pay more than others. People skilled in DevOps or software engineering may use tools like Git, Docker, Jenkins, or Kubernetes, and may know coding languages like Python, Java, or C++. 3. User experience. Hand in hand with technological development comes user experience, UX, which has to do with the way a consumer interacts with a product. People working in UX figure out the best way to present a product to consumers. They may conduct research, design, or help market a product. Although they still involve some data, UX roles are grounded in design and tend to offer room for creativity, and they require a high level of social. Perceptiveness. 3 skills that come up in multiple skill reports. 4. Web development. Web development brings together the fundamentals of software development and user experience, incorporating the technical aspects of the former with the design elements of the latter. People skilled in web development will also be familiar with technical search engine optimization, SEO, in order to design and program websites that meet business needs. There continues to be huge demand for web developers as web standards change and websites need to be redesigned and upgraded. The fastest growing web development languages projected for 2021 are Gatsby.js, React, Next.js, and SwiftUI. If you're just getting started with web development and you need to learn the basics, then I recommend taking the University of Michigan's Web Design for Everybody. Basics of Web Development and Coding. Specialization. If you already know how to code, then take Hong Kong University of Science and Technology's Full-Stack Web Development with React program. 5. Project management. Many companies use an organizational structure in which different departments, teams, or team members all work on a singular product or project. A person who is skilled in coordinating efforts across each of those touchpoints is skilled in project management. These team members may be responsible for maintaining schedules, organizing budgets, and communicating with project stakeholders or various parties interested or invested in the project outcomes. You can consider project management to be a catch-all term for leadership, communication, planning, resilience, and organizational skills, all of which are frequently cited as valuable to employers. Project management shows up in many careers and becomes especially important as you move into managerial positions. However, you can also pursue a career as a project manager. Here are some careers along the project manager path, and their average base pay in the United States as of December 2022. 6. Account management. While project management typically has an internal focus, account management taps into a similar subset of skills to work with people outside of your organization. Often highly valued in sales positions, account management skills enable you to confidently position your company and its products to customers. Account management skills incorporate both the organizational aspects required to close a business deal, as well as the interpersonal skills required to productively negotiate and maintain relationships. They often work with a customer relationship management (CRM) tool like Salesforce. 7. Content creation and management. Content creation and management skills involve storytelling and are often crucial for marketing careers. This skill set incorporates creativity, originality, social perceptiveness, and emotional intelligence. Taking these skills a step further can also mean adding data analysis to your toolbox, specifically honing in on marketing analytics so that you can assess how well an audience is connecting with your content. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.